We are Vata-Aggravated. We have excess of Vata in our system. If you're exhausted, it's not because you're doing something wrong. It's because your energy is getting leaked in so many ways. Yoga is not about becoming someone else. Yoga is the union of what? Equanimity. Equanimity. Equanimity is yoga. Equanimity is reached only when our nervous system is regulated. So, I close with a prayer that is offered in all the learnings, where it says, where the teacher tells the pupil, let me learn, discover with you. Asatoma sadgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amritam gamaya. Let me walk with you. Let me learn with you. Let me overcome the darkness with you. And together, let us discover this eternal truth that will lead us away from this circle of life and death. If this short podcast resonated with you, we offer pranayama workshops every Sunday, so you can go deeper. You will find the link in the description. If you want to start your Sattvic kitchen, our cookbooks are the first step. We also have cooking club. You're welcome to join. And we have courses. Sign up for our free newsletter. We have courses so we can guide you through this. And the most exciting thing is you get an opportunity to reset your entire system by sincere, dedicated practice over the Chaturmasya for 4 months. Sign up to our newsletter, watch our channel for future details. Thank you. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. I will see you in the next podcast.